Alright guys, so I'm following up on this. Just tried to do another install and it's still broken. But here we have my comment 13 days ago. It looks like somebody else is having an issue 3 days ago. So we scroll up here, gonna go to item details. Gonna come down here, and it does look like he put some documentation up. And so here we are. Here's the install page. Here's my install page. Okay. So the first thing we do is create database. All right. Create database. Copy database name. All right. We're going to come down here. And we're going to create a database user. Save test. Password here. Create my user. I've created my user. I've entered the password. Okay. Now we're going to assign them to the database. We're going to give them all the privileges. We're going to make the change. Success. All right. Okay. Proceed further. That's it. That's all he's got. Next thing is log into the application. Right. Technically, you go back up here to installation, and then I'm supposed to check the connect button to see that the database credentials are valid. Hit save and next button to proceed further. Okay, and then you're supposed to get to this. But what I get to is I gotta type localhost here. It doesn't reference this in his directions at all. I'll type localhost, and then I can check the connection. It's not going to do anything. Just literally sits here and spins. Okay, checking the connection. Check the connection button to ensure that these database credentials are valid. My credentials are valid. So if I hit save and next, the big white screen of death, and I should actually, sorry, I should be getting create the admin account. I should be getting this screen, but I don't. I just get this white screen of death. So I'm not exactly sure how to do it, but according to his directions, that's how you install this thing. And done this 100 million times. Never, ever has there been any kind of a issue like this. This guy just refuses to do anything about helping. He will offer, but he will charge you. Don't think that's the marketplace you guys want. And it's pretty straightforward. I don't know.